Surrounded by majestic woodland, stroked by the breeze of the Pacific Ocean, Crossville fabric carries the essence of nature in each fiber. Process produce unique, artistic, and elegant shades. The latest technology and precise quality standards in manufacturing results in world-class fabric, satisfying the most discerning client. Employees have constant training in the latest techniques and innovations of cloth manufacturing. With a long textile tradition, our dedicated, highly qualified team guarantees the perfection of the final product. Encourages us to produce our fabrics with care and respect for the environment, and to minimize the ecological impact. We are also committed to supporting the local community and participate with various groups in many different activities. Crossville Fabric is a vertical textile manufacturer that combines the finest raw material, high technology, and skilled personnel added to textile tradition and innovation.